Good morning, beautiful soul. Welcome to Peaceland Haven. I'm your guide, Natalie Brown. It's really good to have you here. In today's morning meditation, I'm going to be guiding you in a peaceful meditation to bring awareness to your body. After we're done, I would love to know what part of your body you felt in touch with the most. Let me know by leaving a comment either here or on my website. Remember that you can download the audio of this meditation and a PDF copy anytime you'd like at peacelandhaven.com. Before we begin, please find a quiet space where you will feel really comfortable. This could be in a seated position in a chair, on the floor, seated on a cushion with a tall spine, legs crossed, or your feet planted on the floor. The body scan can also be performed while lying down or in other postures. The absolute most important thing is for you to be as comfortable as possible in a way that allows you to truly feel your body. First, take a moment to ground yourself and come into your breath. To do that, take a deep breath in, fully expanding your lungs and feeling the breath in every part of your chest. Release the breath and fully exhale until there's no breath left. Let's try doing this together. All right, so inhale. Next, we're going to take an even deeper breath to the point you feel you can no longer take in breath. At this point, you're going to sip in 2 to 3 more breaths. Let that breath fill you with vitality and life this morning, you beautiful soul. And then when you're done that, release it forcefully. We'll do this together. Okay, now you can just resume your normal breath pattern. Begin by bringing attention to your body. Our beautiful bodies house our essence. They allow us to move through the day in this physical world and navigate our existence here. Take a moment to thank your body for what it can do. Even if you have a challenge in your physical body, there are things it can do. So bring loving attention and gratitude to it for its abilities. Now you can close your eyes if that's comfortable for you. You can notice your body seated wherever you're seated, feeling the weight of your body on the chair or on the floor. As you are on whatever surface you're on, notice what it feels like to just be there. Noticing the sensations present in this moment, noticing temperature, noticing points of contact with the body and the surface, noticing the rise and the fall of the abdomen as you're breathing. Allow your body to rest in this position and notice sensations as you breathe in and as you breathe out. Now, feeling the air move in and out of your body, let's begin by bringing attention to the toes of your left foot. With the in-breath, noticing the sensations present or the lack of sensation. And then with the out-breath, letting go of the toes and moving your attention to the bottom of the left foot, including the heel touching the floor. Noticing all the sensations present in that region of the body. Also notice how lack of sensation is something the mind can be aware of. Move on to the top of your left foot and ankle, noticing sensation. Now moving to the lower leg, the knee, thigh, and hip on the left side of the body. Now, moving your awareness to the toes of the right foot, the bottom of your right foot, including the heel touching the floor. Bring awareness to the sensations present in that part of your body. Now moving on to the top of your right foot and ankle, and scanning that region with awareness, noticing sensations that are present or a lack of sensation. Now move into the lower leg, knee, thigh, and your hip on the right side of your body. Bringing awareness now to the pelvic region, noticing sensations present or lack of sensation. Just feel into that area. And now bring awareness to your lower back and your abdomen. Become aware of what's there without any judgment or assessment, simply noticing with awareness. Continue on to scan the back, your rib cage, and your chest. Give thanks for the breath that fills these areas. Moving now gently and slowly to your shoulder blades and your shoulders. Notice what's present in these regions of your body. Notice the sensation. And from here, go to the fingers and the hands, the left and the right together. Tuning into the fingers, thumbs, palms, the back of your hands and your wrists. Just noticing what's there, noticing sensations present in the hands and in the fingers. Observe these and just take note of them. Now let's move awareness to your wrists, your forearms, your elbows, your upper arms and shoulders, and noticing what sensations are present in those regions of your body. On an out breath, let go of the whole of the arms and hands. Okay, moving now to the neck and the throat. Just notice what's there or what's not there. Give thanks for the area that gives you your true voice. Moving on to the head and your face and scanning with awareness your jaw, your chin, your lips, your teeth, your gums, the roof of your mouth, your tongue, the back of your throat, your cheeks and your nose. Feel the air moving in and out of the nose. And then gently bring awareness to the ears, your eyes, your eyelids, your eyebrows, your forehead, temples, and scalp. Hold that whole region with tender love and deep awareness. Take a moment now to notice your breath. So I want you to stay in this present moment with your breath, flowing in and out of your body. Simply awake to whatever arises and predominates in your field of awareness at any given moment as you stay with your breath. And this may include thoughts or feelings, sensations, sounds, the breath, stillness, and silence. Be with whatever comes up in the same way you were with the body scan. Notice how you may tend to react to impulses, thoughts, memories, and worries. Let yourself purposefully observe them without rejecting or pursuing them. Practice simply seeing and letting go. Seeing and letting go. Just see and let go. There's no other agenda other than to be present in this moment and awake. Now, let's repeat an affirmation together to honor your body and what it does for you each day. Repeat this after me. Good morning, strong, beautiful body. I honor you today, and I am grateful for what you help my soul to do. In a moment, you'll hear the sound of the bowl chime and move the awareness from the body to the sound. And as you follow the sound to the end, gradually wiggle the toes and move the feet and stretch in whatever way you like. Coming back into the room, fully awake and fully present. As we bring this practice to a close, may we be peaceful and at ease. May our hearts be soft and open. May we be safe and protected, and our bodies healthy and strong. And for all those known and unknown to us, may they be peaceful and at ease. May their hearts be soft and open. May they be safe and protected, and their bodies healthy and strong. May the merit of this practice be for the benefit of all beings. Thank yourself for taking the time to take care of you today. It's really important. In the next video, we'll be doing some amazing affirmations together. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be reminded when new videos are released. You can also click the link below the video to get your free 24 meditation tips PDF, which I hope you'll find really helpful. Until we meet again, take care of your soul, love yourself, know you are loved, and show love to others. Until we meet again, my friends,